Finally I fitted this new to me muffler, Akrapovic, Akrapovic, I don't know how to pronounce it, whatever. I like the looks of this muffler. Many people will disagree with me and they will call it pregnant muffler because of this shape. I like it very much. As soon as I saw the first release video, I definitely wanted to have it. So there it is, a pregnant muffler, how people call it. Whatever it is, I like it. So if you want to remove the baffles, just remove this end cover and you get the access to the baffles. There are two screws which are welded, so you can use an Allen key to break it loose or use a grinder. I'm not going to remove the baffles. I'm fine with the sound. I don't want it to be any louder, at least for now.